Good morning, everyone. Well, overall, looking like a pretty nice day in southeast Nebraska. Our average high is going to be in the upper 80s. Normal for this time of year is mid 80s, so a little above normal, but still very reasonable. As far as differences go across the area, looks like a little bit more sun to the west than the east. So we'll call it sunny skies for a lot of us, but mostly sunny skies for Fremont, Omaha, and areas to the east. And because there's going to be a little bit more cloud cover to the east versus the west, in general, a little bit cooler to the east versus the west. There could be some locations in the western part of the area that reach around 90 degrees. Most of us probably in the upper 80s. If we're going to see highs in the mid 80s, it's most likely going to be over in Iowa. Not going to be much wind today, only around 10 miles per hour. So overall, a fairly pleasant late August day. Tonight, I do think we're going to be dry for most of the night, but I do have to mention after 3 a.m. a few showers could pop up. But until then, just mostly clear skies. Most of us will see low temperatures in the low to mid 60s, though the Lincoln Omaha area probably will only cool down into the upper 60s. So, will there be rain around for the morning commute tomorrow? I do have to mention a chance if you're in Lincoln, York, and areas to the north, though it is small. So I guarantee you're going to encounter rain for the morning commute tomorrow, but I do think there'll be a few showers around. But low impact stuff, just some light showers, but just a mention that you might have to use the windshield wipers briefly for the morning commute tomorrow. And as far as tomorrow goes, it does look like the best rain chance is going to be during the morning hours, though it is going to try and linger into the afternoon. If there's a best chance of rain tomorrow, it's looking like the late morning hours. We're still just talking about isolated showers. And I do think that the story for tomorrow is the farther north you live, the more likely you're going to see rain. The farther south you live, the less likely you're going to see rain. So I would say for tomorrow, the best chance of rain is in places like Columbus and Fremont. And a little bit less of a chance if you're in Omaha, an even smaller chance if you're in Lincoln, and an even smaller chance if you're in Beatrice. So a peak in the activity late morning, but still a chance for a few showers as we go into the afternoon. Here's 1 o'clock, here's 4 o'clock. Notice not much going on, so I do need to stress, not a guarantee to see rain tomorrow, especially if you live in the southern part of the area, but the chance is there. As far as high temperatures go tomorrow, I do think it's going to be a little bit warmer. So I think most of us probably are going to get into the low 90s. Some in the upper 80s and mid 80s are really going to be a struggle to find. Now, it's also going to be humid tomorrow, so in general, you've got to add a couple of degrees to all of these temperatures, and that's really what it's going to be feeling like. Not really, really humid, but definitely got to call it humid. There'll be a little bit more wind tomorrow as well, so that'll help. We'll see some gusts pick up to around 15 miles per hour. And I've still got to keep the chance in there even into the evening hours and through the overnight hours on Wednesday night. A few showers here or there. I do think there's a little bit better chance of rain on Thursday, but certainly not looking like a washout. Still talking about isolated showers, but maybe a couple of storms popping up by the time we get to Thursday afternoon.